Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on 3. Told him drink.
Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get right into this video. As you can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing my little nighttime routine. Y'all, I'm already prepared, okay? Jammies is on, bonnet is on. We gonna call it a night, okay? So yeah, first things first, I just got off work, so I think I'm gonna put it in before this clip. I'm going to show you all like a little bits and pieces of my shower routine because it's honestly the same. So I'm just going to put like a little bits and pieces of that. And then I'm also going to take a bath. Y'all, I love me a good little relaxing bath. Just sit back, lay back, soak it up. This is going to be like kind of like a vlog kind of style because I'm not going to do like a voiceover. So right now I'm about to make me a little homemade pizza. Girl, I've been craving this pizza ever since I seen Kara make one on her channel, but mine's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do spinach, cheese, and mushrooms. So I'm trying to do a little healthy vibes, okay? So yeah, we're about to make a homemade pizza. This is a part of my nighttime routine. I try to make something that is like kind of healthy. Even though pizza is not really healthy, it's going to be healthy today, okay? So yeah, I just got back. Yeah, I just got back from Target. So I'm gonna show y'all the little ingredients that I got. Now I've never made a homemade pizza before, so this is gonna be my first time. So we're gonna see what it's given. It should be pretty good, y'all. I mean, hopefully. So I ended up getting some 4 cheese Alfredo because I'm gonna make it with white sauce. So yeah, I'm gonna just use this. I looked up some ingredients for homemade pizzas using white sauce, and they said just get Alfredo sauce. So maybe this better be right. And then I also got me some pesto sauce. So we're gonna try her out. And then I got me some mushrooms. And then the type of cheeses that I'm going to use is going to be white cheeses. So I'm going to use the Parmesan cheese and the mozzarella cheese. Okay, baby. And I'm using this pizza crust. This is the thin crust by Pillsbury. It looks like this. So yeah, girl. Let's get into it because I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm so hungry. So yeah. This is going to be part of my nighttime vibe. And then I'm also going to show y'all my skincare routine. I didn't do my skincare yet, but I actually got some new stuff in the mail from Sephora. So I have my go-to Dr. Bronner's. Not Dr. Bronner's. I have my go-to Dr. Dennis Gross, the Daily Peels. And then I just have my Clinique Moisture Surge face mask. So yeah. We have a lot to do before it's time to go to bed. So let's get right to it. And if you're new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, girl. It's free. It's free, okay? Like, it's free.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you can play me a groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, cheese up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the LA, they saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, for sure, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy and they ready to go. Find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club.
Alright, y'all, so I just tasted a piece of it. It is so banging. Like, this is so good, y'all. So if you all want to make this, when you do the dough, you can carve it out like whatever shape you want. So I made it into like a little circle. So it says you're supposed to put it in the oven for like 8 minutes, just the dough by itself. So that's what I did. And girl, this is so good, y'all. Oh my god. It is so banging. So yeah.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on 3. Told them drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Gonna take a shot on 3. Drinks, it's on me, drinks on me. Then I'm gonna take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted 10 pounds like a freak, like a G. Oh yeah, get ready. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Place off the phone. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Know we're on.